Okay, students, children, are you all ready with your book and all reading stuff?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Only 20 students are connected, so okay. Now let's start. Open page number 68 in your English course book. Okay, open page number 68. Yesterday I taught the text of this lesson, so you all might have done the practice at your home. Okay, so now I'm going to tell the exercise of the same lesson. Clear? Don't make sound, switch off. All of you switch off your mic, please. I'm getting so many sounds from your side. It will disturb our class, no? So all of you switch off your mic. If you have any kind of query, you can show your hand to me. Then I'll ask you to put your query, okay? Okay, page number 69, exercise B is done. Okay, we had done it yesterday. Answer, exercise C, answer these questions in brief. Okay, so here I'm not going to do the exercise this one. Okay, in brief because it will take a long time. So I'll send a pic to WhatsApp group. So now start expand words. Exercise, see the exercise given on page number 69. Expand words. Are you all able to see the exercise? Can you all see the exercise? At least nod your head to give me a reply. Okay. Strike out the odd word in each group. Okay, you can see 4 words are written in each group. What we need to do is, we have to extract out the odd one. जो ऐसा वर्ड जो सारे वर्ड से थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, उसको हमको क्या करना है? We have to circle, okay? Circle that word and we have to just brief why that word is different with the other words. हमको उन पूरे 4 ग्रुप में से एक वर्ड निकालना है जो बाकी के सारे 4 वर्ड से डिफरेंट है and we need to give the reason why is that word different. Okay? Are you all able to listen me? Are you all listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now, first group what is written? Ankle, elbow, knee, thigh. Now you all can switch on your mic, but you have to speak only then when I ask you to speak. Okay? Because I need some answers from your side. So all you can switch on your mic. You all can put on your mic. Okay? So in first group of words are written ankle, elbow, knee, thigh. What is ankle? It is the part of our body in a elbow. What is elbow? Show me your elbow. Where are your elbows? All of you are show your elbows. This one. Okay? Knee. You all must be knowing the knee and thigh. So which word is different with the other word? Elbow. Elbow. Okay? So you all need to circle the group of words. You all need to circle the elbow. Why elbow is different? Because ankle, knee and thigh are the part of our leg. But elbow is the part of our hand. जो elbow है वो हमारे hand का part है और बाकी के ankle, knee and thigh हमारे leg का part है. So elbow is different with the other words. Clear? Clear? Okay. Now second number, boxing, judo, karate and taekwondo. Okay? Boxing, judo, karate, taekwondo. Now which word is different with the other? Boxing. Why? Because boxing is a kind of competition game, but judo, karate and taekwondo, all 3 are the martial arts. Okay? Martial arts are used to protect ourselves. Martial arts are originated in Japan, China and they are used to protect ourselves. इनको हम अपने बचाने के लिए जो मार्शल आर्ट्स का यूज करते हैं. The name of the martial arts are judo, karate, taekwondo. But boxing is not a martial art. Okay, boxing is a kind of competition game. Clear? So in second number we need clear? Clear? Then in third number, you can see the words and centipede, rat, spider, and always used to crawl on the floor. Okay, centipede always crawl. ये floor पे crawl करते हैं. Spider crawl on the either on the floor or on the wall. Spider कहाँ पे crawl करता है? या तो floor में. And who is sending the message? Don't send messages, otherwise I will just expect out you from the group. Okay? Now, and always crawls on the floor. Centipede crawls on the floor. Spider either crawls on the floor or wall. So what is different here? Wasp. Wasp is a fly. ये एक fly होता है. That can only fly among these four. Anya, do you have a question? Anya, do you have a question? Anya Agrawal, do you have a question? Why are you raising your hand? In third number, we need to circle wasp. wasp ही एक ऐसा कीड़ा है इन पूरे फोर्थ ग्रुप में जो कि उड़ता है. ओके, इन फोर्थ नंबर, बोट, canoe, submarine and yacht. Okay, the boat always swim on the surface of the water. Canoe the same, and yacht. Okay, yacht is also always swim on the surface of water. But what about submarine? Submarine always goes under the water. जो submarine होती है वो कहाँ जाती है? पानी के अंदर. Okay, so it is different with the other four kind of sea transport. Boat is also water transport, canoe and yacht and submarine. But what is the difference between all four? Submarine can only the sea transport that can go under the water, जो पानी के नीचे जा सकती है. So we need to circle the okay, clear? Now in fifth number, don't make sound. Somebody's mobile is just getting vibrated. Okay, in fifth number, now see four words are given: cup, fork, knife. Okay, we use cup to drink tea, fork to eat Chinese and noodles and all, knife to cut the vegetable or toasting the bread, and spoon to eat the food. Okay, so cup, fork, knife, spoon. Now what is the difference between all four? Cup is used to drink tea or coffee. So here cup is different. Why? Because fork, knife and a spoon are kept together in a cutlery set. Have you ever seen the cutlery set? Do you have cutlery set at your home?
No.
We use cutlery set to have meal at our dining table. Okay, हमारी dining table में एक पूरा set होता है having fork, knife and spoon. That is called cutlery set. Okay, so we can see fork, knife and spoon all three together in a cutlery set, but cup is not included in a cutlery set. Okay, cup is used separately for drinking hot tea and coffee. So what is different? What is the different word here? Cup. potatoes, spinach. Now children, you need to tell me what is different. What thing is different among all four? Carrots, eggs, potatoes, spinach. Gagandeep,
Yes, ma'am.
Gagandeep, tell me the answer in 6 numbers. Only Gagandeep will answer me. Okay? Carrots, eggs, potatoes, spinach. What is the different word from all among all four? Can you see the words written on your book? Are you able to see the words written on your book? Do you have your book with you?
Ma'am, book nahi hai.
You are sitting just uselessly. If you don't have your book, then how would you be able to do the exercise? Okay, leave it. Akshar, purchase the book. If anybody is not having the book, please purchase that. Akshar, tell me the answer. Carrots, eggs, potatoes, spinach. What is different?
Spinach.
Spinach. Wrong. Okay, Divyanshi.
Ma'am, eggs.
Good girl. Why eggs are the word eggs is different? Because carrot is a vegetable, potatoes is vegetable, and spinach is again a vegetable. But egg is not a vegetable. Okay, so what is different here in 6 numbers? Eggs. Okay. In 7th, cello, guitar, trumpet, violin. Cello, guitar, violin. All 3 musical instruments are having a string. Okay, इन सबको एक तार से जोड़ा जाता है. And they produce music by using the string. Okay, जो cello, guitar and violin में जो music produce होता है, that is produced by using the string of those instruments. But trumpet creates sound by blow into it. Okay, so what is different here? Trumpet. You need to circle this one. Okay. Are you all able to see? Is green board clearly visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 8 1. Almond oil, diesel oil, mustard oil, olive oil. All are kind of oil.
Diesel oil.
Good, because we can eat almond oil. Okay, mustard oil is always used to eat. Okay, ये all 3 are edible oil जिनको हम खा सकते हैं, but diesel oil is not an edible oil. Okay, so what is different here?
Yes.
Diesel oil. So we need to circle diesel oil. Okay, who's making this much noise? Please don't make noise. Children, ask your family members too. Okay, request them not to make noise. Otherwise, you can sit any other room which is lonely. Okay, that room should be quiet. Okay, in next, say it right. Match each word with a word from the help box according to its vowel sound. Then add 2 more words with the same vowel sound. Okay, so we need to. Okay, we need to match the words. Words are given in this column: bear, burn, log, heap, leaf, hawk. Okay, so now you have to tell me which word is matching with walk. Which word from the column is matching with walk? Children, tell me. Which word is matching with walk?
Ma'am, hawk.
Hawk. Good.
Ma'am, hawk.
Okay. Then next, turn.
Burn.
Good. And next, dog.
Log.
Log. And next, bear.
Beer.
It's not beer, it's bear. Okay, beer is a kind of wine. Okay, it's bear. It should be pronounced bear. It should be pronounced bear. Okay,
What question?
then see.
Leave.
What is the meaning of sieve? What is the meaning of sieve? The pot which we use to filter the grains. जिनको हम ग्रेन फिल्टर करने के लिए जो छोटी छोटी छलनी यूज करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड सीव. ओके, एंड सीव इज लीव. ओके, नाउ स्लीप. स्लीप.
Yes, ma'am.
स्लीप.
Yes.
हीप. हीप मीन्स अ पाइल ऑफ समथिंग, किसी चीज का ढेर लगा देना. ओके,
Heat.
done? Have you all done this exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Gagandeep, why are you saying yes, ma'am, if you don't have your book with you?
Ma'am, note में कर रहे हैं.
Okay, but purchase the book. Okay, it is mandatory to all. Clear? Now, page number 71, exercise B. Here are some phrasal verbs with break. In your grammar portion, I taught you phrasal verb. Okay? Phrasal verb पढ़ाया था मैंने. If you have seen that video, then you can get the point. Okay? What are phrasal verbs? जब हम किसी particular word के साथ हम verb या adverb लगाते हैं. Okay? Like here, the base form is break. Here, break. Now we need to use different kind of adverbs with it, and then we will have a different meaning. ठीक है? ब्रेक के साथ हम अलग अलग एडवर्ब लगाएंगे, प्रीपोजिशन लगाएंगे और हमको ब्रेक की दूसरी मीनिंग मिलेगी. क्लियर? ओके, सबके साथ ब्रेक लगा हुआ है, बट वर्ब एडवर्ब एंड प्रीपोजिशन हमको दूसरे यूज करने होंगे. द सन फ्रॉम बिहाइंड द dark clouds. The sun broke through. In first number, answer will be through. The sun broke through from behind the dark cloud. Why broke?
Okay.
Broke through means to get developed gradually. धीरे धीरे निकलना. Okay. Two prisoners have the central prison. We will write two prisoners have the third form of the verb here. So broken out of. Broken out of. Because we can see here, so we will use here third form of the verb. Break is our base form verb, so we have used broken out of the central prison. What is the meaning of prison? Prison means jail. So here the meaning will be two prisoners have broken out of the central prison. दो कैदी, broken out means to get escaped, कहीं से बचकर भाग निकलना. Okay? Okay, Deepesh, are you getting? Okay. तो दो कैदी सेंट्रल जेल से बचकर भाग निकले. Okay? In third number, last night a thief tried to break into a house across the road. Break into, suddenly stepped in. अचानक से कहीं घुस जाना. Okay, so last night a thief tried to break into. In third number, answer will be break into. Okay, into a house across the road. Across the road मतलब सड़क के उस पार. The runner. In fourth number, the runner increased her speed. Increase means बढ़ाना. Okay. The runner increased her speed to break away from the other runner. Break away मतलब to get the separate with others. दूसरों से बहुत आगे निकल जाना या दूर निकल जाना. Who is giving the tapping sound? Don't do this. The runner increased her speed to break away. In fourth number, answer will be break away. दूसरों से दूर निकल जाना. The runner increased her speed to break away from other runners. जो दौड़ने वाला कॉम्पिटिटर था उसने अपनी स्पीड को बढ़ाया. क्यों? दूसरे से आगे निकल जाने के लिए. He had to break off the conversation when somebody rang the doorbell. In fifth number, answer will be break off. Break. Okay. He had to break off the conversation. What is the meaning of break off? If we add off with break, so it becomes to stop. किसी चीज को suddenly रोक देना. Break off, रोक देना. He had to break off the conversation when somebody rang the doorbell. उसको अपने conversation को या अपनी बातों को अचानक रोकना पड़ा जब किसी ने दरवाजे पे बेल बजाई. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, do you want to study more or should I stop the class? Tell fast. और पढ़ाई करना है या क्लास बंद करना है?
मैम करना है.
Who's telling करना है? पढ़ाई करना है. Don't you want to me to stop the class? Okay. So now see page number 71. Page number. Okay. Two kinds of tenses are given here. Simple present tense and present continuous tense. Okay. So you can read the simple present tense tells us about an action that takes place regularly. Okay. Simple present tense के जो सेंटेंस होते हैं वो हमको ऐसे एक्शन बताते हैं जो कि रोज रोज किए जाते हैं. ओके. जो कि रोज होने वाले एक्शंस होते हैं वो हमको कहाँ पता चलते हैं? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में. ओके. सिंपल प्रेजेंट tense tells us about an action that takes place regularly. जो रेगुलर जो चीजें होती हैं उनको हम कहाँ देखते हैं? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में. लाइक go to my school by bus. मैं अपने स्कूल कैसे जाता हूँ? बस से जाता हूँ. ओके. So the sentence is showing my regular habit. Okay. We can see the regular habit with the statement. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And we always use the first or base form of the verb. Verb क्या होते हैं? Verb are the action verbs. Okay, all physical actions are called verb. किसी सेंटेंस में जो फिजिकल एक्शन होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? वर्ब होते हैं. Okay, so now tell me, who will tell? Gagandeep,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what is the verb in the sentence? All physical actions are verb. जो काम हम करते हैं वो verb होता है. Okay? I go to my school by bus. What is verb in the sentence?
Go.
Gagandeep,
Yes, ma'am. Go.
go. Yes. What is verb here?
Go.
And what is the subject? Subject in the sentence?
I.
I. Good. I is subject here. Okay? And verb go. So when we want to write a tell sentence of simple present tense, we use always base form, first form of the sentence, verb. Okay? There are, in simply, I'm going to tell you the simple three kinds of verb, like go, went, it is the second form, form, participle form. Clear? Clear? Are you all able to see? Go, went, gone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? We can see the four kinds of verb here. Go is base form, जिससे वो पूरे verb बनते हैं. First form of base form. So when we want to write the simple present tense, we use always first form of the verb. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, tell me, have I written the correct sentence? Have I written the correct sentence here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How many of you are telling that this sentence? Don't write it, okay? Don't write it. Now don't write this sentence. First you tell me, have I written this sentence correctly? क्या ये सही लिखा है sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you? Listen. How many of you are telling that this sentence is correct? Show your hand first. Show your hand first. Okay. And how many of you telling that the sentence is wrong here? Those who are telling that the sentence is wrong, they can raise both of their hands. उनको दोनों हाथ ऊपर करने हैं. Tell me, who is telling the sentence is wrong? Nobody. Children, the sentence is written in present, simple present tense. Currently, I am teaching you the simple present tense, and I told if we write the simple present tense, we always use the base form of the verb. Okay? What is verb here? What is verb here? So what mistake I have done here? I have written the participle form of the verb. मैंने यहाँ पे verb की participle form लिखी है, which is totally wrong. Because I am writing the simple present tense, simply I need to write he writes later. अभी जाके now it has become correct. Okay? Now what is the difference between, let me tell you, in affirmative sentence, he, all these are singular number noun. Okay? subjects are singular number noun. He, she, it. Okay? या फिर किसी का name होगा. Like Ram, Shyam, Ravi and all. Okay? So when we write the subject as singular number, we need to add s or es with the verb. S or es. Okay? Like plays, holds. Okay? जब हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में किसी सिंगुलर नंबर नाउन के बारे में सेंटेंस लिखते हैं, we need to use s or es with the verb. Yes.
क्या लिखा है?
Where? Here is the name. Okay, if you see someone's name, we need to write the s or es with the verb. Like verb is here, play. Okay, play is the base verb. I have added s here. Okay, simple base verb is go. I have added es here. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Cry is a simple base verb. I have added es here. So now it has become the verbs of simple present tense with the singular number noun. Singular means the person which is single, जो एक होता है. Clear? Okay. और what are plural number noun? Plural number nouns are I, we, you, they. Okay? Note it and see it carefully. What is the difference between I and you? Now listen. Although I refers to a single person. Okay? Bhale I means I am talking about me. I am single here. But I always considered as plural number noun. जो हम verb use करते हैं वो हम plural number की use करते हैं I के साथ and you के साथ. Okay? Because you is always used for whether the singular number noun or plural number noun. ठीक है? किसी एक से मुझे पूछना है तब भी मैं पूछूंगी how are you, और मुझे अगर बहुत सारे लोगों से पूछना है, so many people are sitting in front of me, then too I ask how are you all. ठीक है? So you and I always considered as plural form. They always act as plural form. Clear? And we and they, the person more than one in numbers. जो एक से बहुत ज्यादा numbers में होते हैं, these all are plural nouns. Okay? So with all those plural number subject, we use the first form of the verb. Play, like, hope, cry, like this. We don't need to add s or es. इनके साथ हम verb में s या es नहीं लगाएंगे. Okay? Clear?
Yes,
S या es. Where do we put s or es with the verb? कहाँ लगाते हैं हम? Where do we add s or es with the verb? Give answers, children.
Place.
हम कब लगाते हैं s या es का यूज हम कब करते हैं verb के साथ? When do we use s or es with the verb?
Ma'am, singular number.
Very good, Drishti. When we see the singular number noun, singular number subject, there we use s or es with the verb. Okay? But if we see these subject I, we, you, they. Okay? So all these subjects are followed with the verb first form. ठीक है? इनके साथ verb की first form आएगी. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Now let me show you example. Right? सही है sentence? Is it correct? Is it correct? Tell me fast. Is it correct?
Yes,
She
ma'am.
writes a poem. Is it correct? No. Who's telling yes, ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What I told you? I taught. Listen. I taught you. जब हम सिंगुलर नंबर सब्जेक्ट देखते हैं, देयर वी यूज एस और es with the verb. Here she about one girl. Okay, she means I am talking about only one girl. Okay, so what is verb here? Right. So I will add here S. Now it has become the correct. She writes a poem. Okay. Now today's class is sufficient for you. We'll study more about this same exercise, simple present and present continuous, tomorrow. So it is your homework to just read the rules of the exercise before the class. Okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is your homework to do practice of simple present and present continuous. Before we start the class, I will ask the question related with this exercise. Okay? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Bye,
Welcome. Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Okay.